The NSA Released Guidance on how to protect yourself against memory safety issues. The NSA agency recommends switching over to memory safe languages. They do not endorse these languages, but they do mention them. So you have like Ruby, Rust, Go, C#, Swift, and Java. So if you have ever used Java, you have seen null pointer exceptions. And why not out of memory as well? It's surprising to see it up there, but you know. Make no mistake, you can still shoot yourself in the foot with Rust. Quoting the compiler book, parts of the Rust standard library are implemented as safe abstraction over unsafe code. This can cause a false sense of security if unsafe code is not properly reviewed and tested. Here we have an example of a data structure called vec_the_queue, which is a double-ended queue implemented with a growable ring buffer. The problem was that calling reserve ended up calling unsafe code, which caused a seg fault. This particular error has been squashed, but there are probably others out there. Microsoft revealed that from 2006 to 2018, 70% of their vulnerabilities were due to memory safety issues. Google also found a similar percentage of memory safety vulnerabilities over several years in Chrome and disclosed that they are test driving Rust to fix it.